create a free website by Canva. So let's go to create free website in Canva. So first of all, we have to go to Canva website. In the Canva website, we'll see the Canva homepage. This is Canva homepage. Here we can create a website which is totally free. So we'll create website within 2 minutes. So first of all, we have to search here website. After that, we have to take any kind of design what we want. So we'll take this design. It's a template. You can create website very easily within 2 minutes. So this is our design, and we'll create our design here. So we can change the picture. So we can upload our picture. Any kind of picture we can upload here. So we can upload from PC. Well, I have upload my picture. So this is my picture, and we can create this website very easily. So after that, we can. This is homepage. We can write down anything here, and after that, we can go next page, background, art, and finally reach out of me. So this is really fascinating website we can create within 2 minutes with free domain. So we can change everything here. If we want to change the background of the homepage, we can change the background. So we can change the background. We can change the background here also. So this is really fascinating looking. After that, we can change everything like address, email, phone. Every page we can edit, and we can get free domain and hosting very easily. We can run Google within 2 minutes. So we can change everything. So we can see the preview of this website. So this is our website. So we can write down, we can create, include there is no navigation tool, so we can include here the navigation menu. After that, we can search, we can get navigation, the background, gallery, contact, everything. It's really amazing. So we can change the navigation menu, like here we can see the background, or here gallery. So we can change the gallery, like we can write down. So first of all, we have to close here, then here we can note down. So we'll change the like work or art gallery. So here we will write like portfolio. Here we can write portfolio. So we can change it very easily. In the preview, we can check the, such as here we can change portfolio. Contact us, we can change like that, contact us, close, and contact us page. Here we can write down contact me. Can preview the website. So this is really mesmerizing website. We can change everything. We can create the our portfolio. We can create the commerce business related website. So it's totally free, and we can run in the Google with free domain, free hosting. So now we'll uh, preview has done. Now we'll publish website for free domain, and this is we can write down here. We can change the name. can change the hosting. For example, we can write, you can moderate it ABC like that. So here domain ABC, my Canva site abc.com, we can write down like that. From after that we'll publish the website. Well, you can like that. Now it's preparing for design the for free. It's totally free website. You can here we created, we can copy the link. Now view the website. In the Google it's running. Here this is our beautiful website. We can create very easily. This is really amazing website. Here our homepage about us, then contact. Here you can scroll down like portfolio, everything about us, homepage. It's running. It's totally a free website. We can search here like that. uh, this is our new created website. So it's guys, it's running and it's totally free. Here we found our website.